NFA, 65-year-old male, disabled, retired, poor health, 1,200 a month Social Security income, 70% housing subsidy, 100% Medi-Cal, no debt, and I'm getting 1 million in disability taxable in California. Trust in fiat melting ice cubes fast, i.e., don't trust fiat. My goal is 20% plus CAGR, 25 to 30 years. I'm fight my gut saying buy 85 to 90% Tesla, 15% Nvidia, Sol, MicroStrategy, Bitcoin, hold 0% cash, avoiding opportunity costs. Only sell minimum as when needed to pay 4% annual trust, burn, and income taxes. How, what, when, Q1 in 2026 to deploy for each. Thank you in advance. So I don't know with that million you're getting if you've deployed yet or you already have positions in these assets. I'm not sure. But I will say a couple of things. First of all, retirement is not linear, and people tend to spend the most in the early years of retirement when they're active, traveling, going out, enjoying hobbies. So you're 65 now, live a little, enjoy it. As you get older, things slow down more. So start with 5 to 7%, not 4%. And by the way, if you're in disruptive assets, which can be very risky, your allocations are very risky. We'll get to that in a second too. But if you are in things that are blessed and go up 20% per year, compound annual growth rate, historically, Tesla is the fastest growing stock on a CAGR basis of any stock in the history of the world, 49% per annum since it began. And I know we haven't seen a lot of it over the last few years, but over the last 15 years, it's been mind-blowing. But if you retire with $1 million and it does grow at 20% per year, and you're pulling out 5% or 7% annually, your portfolio will far outgrow your withdrawals. And that's the magic here. So 1 year, 20%, your 1 million goes to 1.2 million. You pull out 50K. Net gain is 150,000. And new balance is 1.15 million. So don't be too chintzy on the spending early on. Keep to the 4%. Go more. Live now. Live a little bit. The other thing, when I look at your portfolio, I do have some questions. 85% Tesla is too high. And I'm a Tesla bull. Okay. Way too high. And Nvidia, 5% would be good. Sol, I think Sol is very undervalued, but it's also very risky. MicroStrategy, we've seen what happened there. I think it's maybe oversold, but we need Bitcoin to recover. And Bitcoin, too small. If you're worried about melting ice cubes and protecting your actual buying power. So, too skewed. I don't know your tax situation, but that's what I would think about. Having more conservative assets, maybe some income generating assets that kick off 10% per year. Incorporate some of that as well to cover your burn. And good luck and stay healthy, my friend.